He lost his life fighting for our freedom, and now his family gets to say goodbye after nearly 7 decades. News Channel 5's Alexandra Cohen was at the airport today as a missing soldier's remains finally returned home.
Army Private Joe Stanton Elmore lost his life fighting in the Korean War.
It's a hometown hero coming home.
This soldier was missing for 67 years. A moment 83-year-old Mary Boland never thought she'd see.
Now that it's here, we're going to cherish it.
Her older brother paid the ultimate sacrifice.
I prayed. Pray all the time, don't ever give up.
Mary was 15 years old when he left.
There was a big void there, but I had dreams. I still had dreams that he'd come home someday.
In December of 1950, soldiers showed up to their Kentucky home to report that Elmore was missing.
My mother waited and waited. She would look for him every day. And she'd say, now he'll be coming one of these days.
They were able to identify him through DNA testing.
Me and my sister that was alive at the time, we gave our DNA, and we was hoping. You always hope.
Now this family has closure.
She can finally lay her brother to rest beside his brothers and sisters and her mom and dad.
One of the soldier's family members, a Marine, was on the flight and stayed with the remains. Law enforcement officers and motorcyclists escorted the hearse down I-40. While decades have passed, Mary Boland says the pain still lingers, but now she has found peace.
I feel closure. I feel completeness. We're going to get to have him a Christian burial, finally, after all these years.
Elmore will be laid to rest in Albany, Kentucky at a family cemetery. Reporting in Nashville, Alexandra Cohen, News Channel 5.
The soldier was just 20 years old when he died. Family members described him as a Christian man who loved music. He felt like going to war was his duty because he loved his country.